When it comes to getting an oil change, you might be asking yourself the question of whether to top the oil off or get a full change. It's natural to want to stretch out your oil change to save a few bucks, but putting this auto service off for too long can actually cost you more money in the long run. Before we dive in, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you're topping off oil in your car, then all this is going to do is circulate the old oil and the new oil. The problem with this is that the old oil in your car might be contaminated and sludge might be circulating through your engine. And the new oil that you've added is going to instantly become dirty. However, if you make it a habit of topping off your oil instead of getting an oil change, then you could experience other major problems besides a damaged engine, like leaks and your piston rings or cylinder head valve damaged. If you're getting an oil change, then this is your best bet. Not only will you get the dark sludge out of your car, but you'll have a beautiful golden elixir flowing through your car. And this will help protect the car's engine by keeping it lubricated and all of the parts working together cohesively. It's also good to check your oil once a month so that you can make sure the fluid level isn't below what it should be and that you don't have a leak somewhere. If you have this auto service done regularly, then you'll have better engine efficiency and gas mileage, keeps other parts of your engine cool, and a worry-free emissions test. Get an oil change today at Toyota of North Charlotte at 13429 Statesville Road.